Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2024 Triumph Speed 400. This lightweight single-cylinder cruiser just arrived with only 2,500 miles. Beautiful showroom condition. It's got a really cool black and gray paint scheme, bar end mirrors, fuel injected, liquid cooled ABS brakes. Come on by and make your lightweight Triumph dreams come true. Only $44.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. From Contra Costa Powersports.